Welcome back to Generation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I'm here with,
I think it's Boxy Lux, right?
I think. Unless it's actually Boxy Charm itself, but it's pretty big for
yeah, I'll start opening
deluxe
it.
size. And if you see us wearing the same clothes, as I mentioned in this other video that we just did, we're doing like 5 back-to-back videos. And so here and there, you'll see us in the blue and blue. So sorry if it's the same thing over and over.
Okay, yeah, so this is the one that I don't think I told you guys that I'm getting yet. I don't think. But subscribe to this box? No, I don't know what it's called. No, I ordered this box.
She signed up for it or something.
Yeah, it's a, what does it say? It's a C.
Tis the season.
Oh, tis
season.
Oh,
Get it?
Tis the season. But yeah, it says Boxy Lux.
Tis the season.
So then it tells you, I guess on the back, I've never gotten this box before, the seasonal one or quarter one. So it tells you on the back, I guess, what you'll be getting. So let's see. I can't even say what the price of this one is.
Was it $50 you said, or you?
I'll have to look it up because I don't even know what I paid for it. I don't know if it's 30 or
put it down below.
Because the other one, what's a regular box cost?
It's like 20 to 25.
Yeah, so I don't know how much
Why do
this
you
one
show what
is.
it looks like when you open it?
Sorry, I'm just skipping over everything.
She's getting a cold.
Cold infecting my brain. Yeah. Okay.
I'm hoping I don't get it because her husband and I guess her son.
Okay, so this says Pretty Vulgar.
Oh, that's a good brand.
It's the Powder Room Matte About It Translucent Setting Powder. So yay, another powder.
Powders. I was like, my powders are all like this big because they're all samples.
Okay, and then I'll go here. Spongel Blossom Bliss. I feel like I've had one or two of these.
I think.
Body Wash Diffused Buffer. I actually do use it, so that's good. Multi-use.
If I ever get one, I'll give it to you because
I'm trying to see, is it like a certain smell? Well, I guess Blossom Bliss is probably the smell of it. I don't know. There's that.
I just feel like it'd be good for a guy. So that's like if they've got more thick skin for some reason. Like,
I guess I'll go this Glam A.
As F.
Yeah.
So
is this like a
makeup bag?
I was figuring it was in the regular box though because it was so much bigger, but
that's cute.
Does it have like stuff in it or no?
That's probably just like the
little. Okay, so that's a little. I guess makeup bag, right?
Yeah. I don't know what that little wristlet, but I don't. Is that a mirror or I can't see if it's to hold something? Oh, is it a charger?
Charger maybe.
That's cool.
Crimes of Beauty. Oh, Android iPhone charger connector.
There's a net in here.
I know.
Like, we don't know where that came from.
So yeah, that's pretty cute.
Oh, it's an Android charger though?
It said
you can't do iPhone?
It said didn't I just say that? Dual Android / iPhone charger connector.
Oh, I didn't see that. The tip looked like it was the Droid, but I was confused. Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, so but that's neat.
Cool. So it's like a little wristlet that you can carry that with. I like when it comes with one, like a chargeable battery or something. That's cool.
Stick that in there.
She could use that. So yay! I'm like, way to go.
Throw that on the ground. I guess I'll go to this. Is it Protégé? Protégé?
I thought it was Protégé. But I think you're saying it better than me.
Suva Beauty. It seems like it's going to be a palette, so this might very well go into one of our. Well, I guess I'll show you what the outside looks like first.
And hopefully there's one of those liners and
see if there's
the mirror.
Well,
do you want me to show it because your hands are kind of full?
Do you want me to figure out how to do that? If that helps. The colors.
If that helps. It looks like it's got like a highlighter or two and then some eyeshadow, so pretty.
And then I'll go here to Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream Anti-Aging.
I feel like that's what I'm using right now. Like
I thought this is like what we put in some of the giveaways we just did.
Oh, we put Elemis something, but I know I've got like it was like,
but it was a smaller size.
Almost like it made me think of like a serum. You put it on first in the morning. I was using something of theirs like that, but I think I might have just run out of
to cleanse dry skin.
Yeah,
so that's pretty good.
Awesome.
So far, so good.
Last item, maybe? It's no, not even your last item. Oh, that's nice. I usually don't even like brushes. You guys know me. I don't like brushes.
So, Luxie Complete Face Set.
Nice.
So this comes with like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think brushes, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Yeah, that's a lot. And I feel like the Luxie ones I had, I probably either gave to you or put in the giveaway. I'm not sure. So I might leave that intact and just like put it in a giveaway or something in the future too. Tarte's Tarteist Shimmering Lip Paint.
We keep getting the lip paint.
Famous.
I know one of those went into the giveaway where I was just like, I don't need lipstick. Like, sorry.
We have a 10. Although I still order more. I don't know why.
She's obsessed. But
Grande Mascara Lash Boosting Formula.
I like how it's gold. Like, it's pretty.
There's that. I don't even know if I'm getting close to the end or not.
Actually, that one's gold too, so.
This is the first time I got in this box.
I know. Well, it looks like, I mean, what else is hiding?
Oh,
Wow.
jeez. Okay, so this is another eyeshadow palette, I'm guessing. And it says Violet Voss.
I know you're wondering to open it or not. Like,
I know, is it still considered giveawayable even if I like open it and show it?
you could, but I know. 20 highlight. I mean, might as well open
Or
it.
maybe I'll keep it if it's like purples and pinks. I don't have a whole lot of like
I only have a few purples.
so
and pinks.
maybe I shall keep it. I don't know. Can I get it open in the meantime?
So how are you guys doing? Let us know what you guys are doing for the holidays. I'm going to be really busy because my husband has work, and so we're rearranging like everything for that. So I'm like,
I can't get it out. Okay. It says hashtag my holy grail. Violet Voss.
oh, that's not even like,
Look, there's pinks.
well, they're kind of peachy, aren't
I
they?
think they're pinks, aren't they? I
They
can't
look
tell.
peachy. I'm like, you guys decide. They look orangey and peachy, and
That's kind of like a color I'm wearing now, and that's pink, isn't it?
I don't know.
So I made a mess of the box. I might keep this one.
Do you want me to show it
Yeah,
though?
if you're able to.
So she might keep this one. I know I'm trying to think of how to show this without. Here, give me something here. Also, give me something. But those are the colors, and they are pretty, but I don't see pink and purple as much. But maybe she'll just keep this one because we'll put the other one in the giveaway.
I don't see purples. I
so,
just saw
yeah.
some pinks, but
There's like a reddish color in there. I mean, maybe she can make a look with it. Who knows? If we ever do one of those kind of videos. But that was it for this one, right? But again, a lot of good stuff,
Good
I would
stuff,
say. And then she'll just put the price down below. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up for getting through it pretty quickly. And don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways. We're doing another one at 200. And we only have, a little ways to go. Like 90 people or something. But we'll catch you in our next video. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.